Welcome, Standard 12 Science student, Subject Chemistry, Unit Halogen Derivatives, Subunit Methods of Preparation of Alkyl Halides, Physical Properties. Here, 5 methods of preparation of alkyl halides discussed and 3 physical properties of halogen derivative here discussed. Method of preparation of alkyl halides. First, from alcohol. The most widely used method for preparation of alkyl halide is replacement of hydroxyl group of an alcohol by halogen atom. Alcohol are available in a wide variety. The hydroxyl group may be replaced by halogen atom. A. Halogen acid, B. Phosphorus acid, C. Thionyl chloride. A. By using halogen acid or hydrogen halide HX. The condition for reaction of alcohol with halogen acid HX depends on the structure of alcohol and particular halogen acid used. The order of reactivity of alcohol with a given halo acid is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Alcohol ROH reacted with HX, X is any halide, with suitable condition, formation of RX plus H2O. Alkyl halide form. Here, alcohol get converted into its alkyl halide. Method of preparation of alkyl halides. 1. From alcohol. Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is used with zinc chloride Gu's process for primary and secondary alcohols. But tertiary alcohols are radially react with concentrated hydrochloric acid in absence of zinc chloride. Zinc chloride is Lewis acid and consequently can coordinate with the alcohol. The weakening of RO bond, mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 is called a Lucas reagent. General reaction. Alcohol ROH reacted with HCl in presence of Lucas reagent anhydrous ZnCl2. Formation of RCl, alkyl chloride will be formed plus H2O. In this reaction, alcohol get converted into alkyl chloride. Method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. We see first hydrogen bromide in that slide. Constant boiling of hydrobromic acid 48% using preparation of alkyl bromides. Primary alkyl bromide can also be prepared by reaction with NaBr H2SO4. Here HBr is generated in a soot. General reaction ROH reacted with HBr on arrow NaBr H2SO4 and heat, formation of RBr plus H2O. That means alcohol get converted into alkyl bromide. Hydrogen iodide. Good yield of alkyl iodide may be obtained by heating alcohol with sodium or potassium iodide in 95% phosphoric acid. Here Hi is generated in a soot. ROH plus Hi on arrow NaI or H3PO4, formation of Ri plus H2O. Method of preparation of alkyl halide. 1. From alcohol. That B. By using phosphorus halide. By using phosphorus halide, an alkyl halide may be prepared by action of phosphorus halides on alcohol. Phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide are usually generated in a soot produced in the reaction mixture by the action of red phosphorus on bromine and iodine respectively. Phosphorus pentachloride reacted with alcohol to give alkyl chloride. See the general reaction. Thrice of ROH alcohol reacted with PX3. Therefore here X3, therefore we multiply here thrice. We form a product of thrice of RX plus H3PO3. Here alcohol get converted into alkyl halide. Next reaction, ROH plus PCl5, RCl plus HCl plus POCl3. In this reaction, alcohol get converted into alkyl chloride. This is PCl5 reaction. By using thionyl chloride reaction, the thionyl chloride react with straight chain primary alcohol to give unrearranged alkyl chloride. The byproduct is obtained are gases. There is no need to put extra effort for its separation. Therefore, this method is preferred for preparation of alkyl chloride. ROH alcohol in reactant side reacted with SOCl2 thionyl chloride, arrow showing heat. Alcohol and thionyl chloride heat, it will form RCl plus SO2 in gaseous state upward direction arrow plus HCl in gaseous state upward direction arrow. In this reaction alcohol get converted into RCl. Methods of preparation of alkyl halide. Second, from hydrocarbon. Alkyl halides are form saturated as well as unsaturated hydrocarbons by various reactions. Halogenation of alkene is not suitable for preparation of alkyl halides as a mixture of mono or polyhalogen compounds is formed. Addition of hydrogen halides, hydrohalogenation. The addition of hydrogen halide HX like hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide convert alkene into the corresponding alkyl halide. Alkene, carbon-carbon double bond, reacted with hydrogen halide HX to form alkyl halide. The order of reactivity of hydrogen halide is Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl. Addition reaction of HBr to a symmetrical alkene. The addition of HBr to symmetrical alkene yield only one product, ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 plus HBr, arrow showing CH3 CH2 Br. Ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 plus HBr showing Br CH2 CH3. Both reaction obtaining bromoethane. Addition reaction of HBr with unsymmetrical alkene. Addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene yield two isomeric products. Unsymmetrical alkene, propene, CH3CH double bond CH2 plus HBr, A, CH3CH2 CH2 Br, 1 bromopropane minor product, B, CH3CH Br CH3, 2 bromopropane major product. Experimentally, it has been found that 2-bromopropane is a major product. A Russian chemist Markovnikov studied hydrohalogenation of a number of an unsymmetrical alkene and formulated a general rule 1869 as follows. Markovnikov's rule: when an unsymmetrical reagent is added to an unsymmetrical alkene, the negative parts X bond of reagent get attached to the carbon which carries lesser number of hydrogen atoms. Over the propene, carbon-carbon double bond, this carbon 1 hydrogen, this carbon 2 hydrogen. The addition of HBr preferred to Markovnikov's rule from this carbon second number which carries only 1 hydrogen. Therefore, it is a major product. Anti-Markovnikov's rule or anti-Markovnikov's addition, peroxide effect or Caseros-Mayo effects In 1933, M.S. Caceres, F.R. Mayo discovered that the addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene in the presence of organic peroxide R bond O bond O bond R takes place in opposite orientation to that suggested by Markovnikov rule. Propene CH3CH double bond CH2 plus HBr benzyl peroxide C6H5CO twice O to form 1-bromopropane CH3CH2CH2Br. Over that anti-Markovnikov's rule or peroxide effect, that means the rule over the carbon-carbon double bond, this carbon carrying more hydrogen and bromine preferably attached to that carbon, that is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Here 2-methyl prop 1-ene, the structure CH3 double bond CH2 plus HBr benzyl peroxide C6H5CO twice O to form CH3CH2Br 1-bromo 2-methyl propane. In this way, anti-Markovnikov's rule or peroxide effect due to their to form addition of HBr to more number of that carbon which carry hydrogen. Next reaction, method of preparation of alkyl halide. From halogen exchange. Halogen exchange, alkyl iodide are prepared conveniently by treating with alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide with sodium iodide in methanol or acetone solution. The sodium bromide or sodium chloride precipitates from the solution and can be separated by a filtration. This reaction is known as a Flinkiston reaction. See, alkyl chloride reacted with sodium iodide. We use on arrow acetone solvent, formation of Ri alkyl iodide plus precipitation of sodium chloride showing to the solid state downward arrow. In this reaction is known as Flinkiston reaction. That means this reaction is simply exchange of halide. This halide chlorine get converted into iodine in presence of NaI and acetone. This will be the Flinkiston reaction. Now alkyl fluoride are prepared by heating with alkyl chloride or bromide using a metal fluoride such as AgF, Hg2F2, AsF3, SbF3, etc. Alkyl chloride RCl reacted with AgF showing Rf plus AgCl precipitated solid downward arrow showing here. This reaction is known as Swartz reaction. In that alkyl chloride get converted into alkyl fluoride in presence of we use AgF as a metal fluoride to obtain alkyl fluoride. Next reaction, method of preparation of alkyl halide, electrophilic substitution reaction. Aryl chloride and bromides can be prepared by a direct halogenation of benzene and its derivatives through a electrophilic substitution. It may be conveniently carried out in a dark at an ordinary temperature in presence of suitable Lewis acid catalyst like Fe, FeCl3 or anhydrous AlCl3. When toluene is brominated in presence of iron or mixture of ortho-para-toluene is obtained. A aromatic electrophilic substitution with iodine is reversible, in this case using HNO3, HiO4, removed Hi by oxidation to I2. The equilibrium is shifted to right and iodo product is formed. F2 being highly reactive, fluoro compounds are not prepared by this method. We see toluene, benzene ring which attaching CH3 plus Br2. We use Fe in a dark on arrow showing orthobromotoluene. This is ortho position This is meta position, this is para position over the benzene structure. Orthobromotoluene plus para-bromotoluene will be obtained plus HBr will be formed. Method of preparation of alkyl halides. Fifth reaction, Sandmeyer's reaction. In this reaction, aryl halide are most commonly prepared by replacement of nitrogen of diazonium salt using copper first salt. This reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction. Over this table, the Sandmeyer's aryl diazonium salt ArN2 plus X minus reacted with CuCl HCl as a reagent to form ArCl, aryl chloride, and N2 obtained. In second reaction, ArN2 plus X minus reagent CuBr or HBr, formation of ArBr, aryl bromide, and N2. Next, ArN2 plus X minus reacted with reagent CuCN or KCN, formation of ArCN plus N2. That means we obtained here aryl chloride, aryl bromide, or aryl cyanide. Due to this reaction, over the substrate reacted with reagent to form a product. In that reaction, ArN2 plus X minus to form ArCl, or using the catalyst CuCl or reagent HCl. ArN2 plus X minus use reagent CuBr oblique HBr, formation of ArBr plus N2. Physical properties. Physical properties of alkyl halides are considerably different from those of the corresponding alkane. The boiling point of alkyl halide is determined by polarity of the CX bond as well as the size of halogen atom. That means size of halogen atom from fluorine to iodine and polarity of CX bond can be determined. What about alkane and alkyl halide? Considerably it is different for the boiling point. Now we see first physical properties, nature of intermolecular forces. Halogen X is equal to fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are the most electronegative than carbon. That means the carbon atom carries halogen, develop a partial positive charge on carbon, while halogen carries a partial negative charge, delta negative, in that structure. Thus, carbon-halogen bond in alkyl halide is a polar covalent bond. Therefore, alkyl halide are moderately polar compounds. Here, polarity differed due to their carbon are having delta positive charge over bonded to X are having delta negative charge. Therefore, in that case, alkyl halide are moderately polar compounds. Physical properties. The size of the halogen atom increases from fluorine to iodine. Hence, the CX bond length increases. The CX bond strength decreases with increase in size of halogen. This is because the size of p orbital of halogen increases, the p orbital become more diffuse and the extent of overlap with orbital of carbon decreases. That means here the size of halogen atom increases from fluorine to iodine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Hence the CX bond length increases The strength of CX decreases, bond length increase, strength decreases the with increase in size of halogen atom. Whatever the size increases from fluorine to iodine, strength decreases, bond length increases. Due to their halogen atom, the size of p orbital of halogen increases, p orbital become more diffuse and extent of overlapping takes place. See the bond parameters of CX bond length. Here, first column bond CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I. Alkyl group is methyl group, halide group is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Look at see bond length in picometer, 139 picometer, 178 picometer, 193 picometer, 214 picometer. Bond length increases due to increase in from F to I. Bond enthalpy kilojoule per mole, 452 kilojoule per mole, 351 kilojoule per mole, 293 kilojoule per mole and 234 kilojoule per mole. From fluorine, here bond length increases but bond enthalpy from CH3F to CH3I it goes on decreasing the bond parameter of CX bond. Bond enthalpy decreases 452 to 234. Then dipole moment dpi 1.847 CH3F, CH3Cl 1.860 and CH3Br 1.830, CH3I 1.636 dpi. All these CH3F to CH3I, the dipole moment goes on decreasing. Physical properties. Boiling point. Boiling point of alkyl halide are considerably higher than those of corresponding alkanes due to higher polarity and higher molecular masses within the alkyl halides. For a given alkyl group, the boiling point increases with increasing atomic mass of halogen because the magnitude of van der Waals force increases with increase in size and mass of halogen. The boiling point of alkyl halides decreases in order to Ri greater than Rbr greater than Rcl greater than Rf. For example, see the table haloalkane and boiling point in Kelvin. CH3F 194.6 Kelvin, CH3Cl 248.8 Kelvin, CH3Br 276.6 Kelvin, CH3I 315.4 Kelvin. In this way, alkyl group are methyl and X halide group from fluorine to iodine. Size goes on increasing, therefore boiling point increases from CH3F 194.6 to CH3I 315.4 Kelvin. For a given halogen, boiling point rises with increasing carbon number. See example table haloalkane boiling point in Kelvin. CH3Cl 248.8 Kelvin, CH3CH2Cl 285.5 Kelvin, CH3CH2CH2Cl 320 Kelvin, CH3CH2CH2CH2Cl 351.5 Kelvin. In this table, the alkyl group goes on increasing. Methyl chloride, ethyl chloride, ethyl chloride, propyl chloride and butyl chloride. That means 248 methyl chloride 0.8 Kelvin boiling point and N-butyl chloride or chlorobutane, it will be 351.5 Kelvin. In this way boiling point goes on increasing. The isomeric alkyl halides boiling point decreases with increasing branching as the surface area decreases on branching and van der Waals force decreases. For example, see in a table haloalkane and boiling point in Kelvin. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br 375 Kelvin. Second, CH3, CHBr, CH2, CH3 364 Kelvin. And last, tertiary butyl bromide 346 Kelvin. When branching increases, boiling point goes on decreasing. Straight chain are having 375 and tertiary butyl bromide 346 Kelvin. Due to their branching and van der Waals force goes on decreasing, so the boiling point goes on decreasing. Physical properties. Solubility. Through the alkyl halides are moderately polar, they are insoluble in water due to inability of alkyl halides to form hydrogen bond with water. Attraction between alkyl halide molecules is stronger than attraction between alkyl halide and waters. Alkyl halides are soluble in non-polar organic solvent. Aryl halides are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. If aryl halides are not modified in presence of any other functional groups, they show properties similar to corresponding alkyl halides. The isomeric dihalobenzene have nearly same boiling point but melting points of these isomers showing variation. Melting point of para isomer is quite higher than that of ortho and meta isomer. This is because its symmetrical structure, which can easily pack closely in the crystallatite. As a result, intermolecular force of attraction stronger and therefore greater energy is required to overcome its lattice energy. See 1,2-dichlorobenzene, 1,3-dichlorobenzene and 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Boiling point 453, 446, 448. It is a nearly same but slight increase in melting point. 1,2-dichlorobenzene 256, 1,3-dichlorobenzene 249 and 1,4-dichlorobenzene 323. Slight increasing due to their lattice energy and intermolecular force of attraction are stronger. Problem. Arrange the following compounds in order to increasing boiling point: bromoform, chloromethane, dibromomethane and bromomethane. Comparative, the boiling point of halogen derivative are mainly related with van der Waals force of attraction, which depends upon the molecular size. In the present case, all the compounds are only one carbon and the molecular size depend upon the halogen and the number of halogen atom present. So, increasing order of boiling point: CH3Cl less than CH3Br less than CH2Br2 less than CHBr3. Quick review. Preparation of alkyl halides and next part question answer. See the all reaction in very shortly in quick reviews. Methanol C2H5OH converted into haloethane C2H5X. First, ethanol reacted with HCl anhydrous ZnCl2 Lucas reagent to form haloethane. Ethanol reacted with HBr NaBr plus H2SO4 heat to form haloethane. Ethanol reacted with HI NaI plus H3PO4 heat formation of haloethane. Ethanol PX3 react to form haloethane. Ethanol C2H5OH reacted with PCl5 formation of haloethane. Ethanol reacted with SOCl2 heat formation of haloethane. Symmetrical alkene ethene CH2 double bond CH2 reacted with HX to form haloethane C2H5X. Question. Alkene form addition product vicinal dihalides with chlorine or bromine, usually in inert solvent like CCl4 at room temperature. Symmetrical alkene CH2 double bond CH2 reacted with X2, formation of vicinal dihalide, that means both carbon carrying X halide, chloro or bromo. Problem: how will you obtain 1-bromo 1-methyl cyclohexane from alkene? Write the possible structure of alkene and give the reaction involved. See, the structure of 1-bromo 1-methyl cyclohexane. Reactant: benzene ring, in that cyclic ring double bond attaches CH3 plus HBr, formation of 1-bromo 1-methyl cyclohexane. Second structure, alkene, cyclic ring attaching double bond CH2 plus HBr, formation of 1-bromo 1-methyl cyclohexane. Next question: when alkene are heated with Br2 or Cl2 at high temperature, hydrogen atom of allylic carbon is substituted with halogen atom, giving allylic halide. CH2 double bond CH bond CH3 plus Cl2, formation of product CH2 double bond CH CH2Cl plus HCl. Preparation of halogen derivative. Question answers. In this slide, mention the predict the product or identify the product and some rules with its explaining the reaction and that rule. For this slide showing the HSC board exam mark weightage for 3 marks or 2 marks. Short answer questions may be asked in this type. Question based on preparation of halogen derivatives, that means the type of question based in reaction, that means predict the product or identify the product. For very short answer question for HSC board exam for 1 marks or 2 marks with its answer. Question answers based on topic of physical properties. Some reasoning type questions asked in based on that topic of physical properties. For the HSC board mark weightage for 1 marks or 2 marks, short answer questions may be asked in this type of that slide. Question based on physical properties with answer. Question based on the physical properties, give reasoning and its answer showing in this slide. That means for 1 marks or 2 marks questions mentioned in that slide. Conclusion: to know the methods of preparation of alkyl halides and physical properties. Thank you.